Hello guys, welcome YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to download music in iPhone. Now you need to open your App Store and search for Player IL. Install this app. After opening it, you need to type which song you want in the search YouTube box. I'm typing Paris Chainsmokers. Then you need to click which video you need, select it and allow it to load. There's a yellow color bar going on the play button. You need to allow that to complete, and you just need to press the star button so it will be in your favorite list. Now I'm showing you offline mode. Okay, yes, click that and look, it's now playing in offline. You can play as many times you want. And sorry for the audio because my phone does not support audio. I'm accidentally recording this voice. Okay, thank you YouTube, and please share and like and subscribe.